Hello, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to graph for rational functions. The first part is the horizontal asymptotes, vertical asymptotes, and the whole coordinates. These are the three things that we are looking for to solve our problems. The first question is 4 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 10. To solve for this, we will have to factor it out, which gives us 4 divided by x plus 5 and x minus 2. Because of this, we can see that the denominator's degree is greater than the numerator's degree, which means our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Our vertical asymptote is when the denominator is equal to 0, which means that the vertical asymptotes are x equals negative 5 and x equals 2. When the vertical asymptotes are x equals negative 5 and x equals 2 in this equation, this gives us an undefined slope, and because it's undefined, we'll never reach that point on the graph. This is needed because the vertical asymptote represents that. There's no hole in this equation because no variables were cancelled out. So this leaves us with the answer of no whole coordinate, y equals 0 as a horizontal asymptote, and x equals negative 5 and x equals 2 for our vertical asymptotes. Our second problem is 2x squared minus x minus 10 divided by 2x minus 5. And again, the first step is to factor everything out, which gives us 2x minus 5, x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 5. Upon seeing this, we can realize that we can cancel out 2x minus 5 on the top and bottom, and this gives us y equals x plus 2, which is the same as a normal line. Because of this, we will have no horizontal asymptote and no vertical asymptote because there's no variable in the denominator for the vertical asymptote to be found. And there's no horizontal asymptote to be found because when the numerator's degree is greater than the denominator's degree, that means there is no horizontal asymptote. Also, a very key point, vertical asymptote should only be found after removing holes, or else it will be wrong, because if the vertical asymptote is a hole, it is technically impossible because then the whole coordinate cannot be found. Because of this, we can find our whole coordinate, which is 5 halves, 9 halves, which can be found by taking 2x minus 5, the part that was canceled out, and solving for x. So what we can do is 2x minus 5 equals 0, which we move the 5 to the 0 side, which gives us 2x equals 5. And then when we divide the 2 to the 5, this gives us x equals 5 halves for the x part of our whole coordinate. And then when we plug 5 halves into x plus 2, this gives us 9 halves as the y, which means our whole coordinate is 5 halves and 9 halves. Our horizontal asymptote is none, and our vertical asymptote is none, because this is a regular slope. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe.